Hello, YouTube world. It's your girl who slimchelle. I am back in the YouTube house. One more again. A 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Happy Tuesday. I'm back because on today I told you guys this new popcorn is a gift from a Dollar Tree. The unicorn popcorn with the lemon and berry flavored candy coated popcorn in the shorts. Now I'm back to do a review on this popcorn. Let's get it poppin'. What a beautiful day outside. Cool flavors. Here's the flavors. Lemon and berry flavored candy coated popcorn. Let's see. Mine. You most definitely taste the lemon and the berry together as one. On a scale 1 to 10, I give it a whole 10. This popcorn is delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy. Delicious, delicious. Thank you to my beautiful sister for bringing this back to me today from the store, from Dollar Tree. I love trying new snacks. The bag beautiful. Hope you guys can see it. If you can't see it, let me show you one more time. And it actually does taste of lemon and berry flavor coated candy. Take care, stay blessed. See you soon. Thank you for coming, watching this review.